Want to fly American Airlines for less? Here is how to transfer your American Express points to AADVANTAG MILES. Log into your Amex account and go to the Membership Rewards section. Click Transfer Points and search for American Airlines AADVANTAG. You will need your AADVANTAG membership number ready. The transfer ratio is 1-to-1, so 1,000 points become 1,000 miles. The minimum transfer is 1,000 points, and there are no fees. Transfers are typically instant, so you can book right away. Watch for Amex transfer bonuses to AADVANTAG, often 20 to 30%. These bonuses give you extra miles for the same points. Transfers are final and cannot be reversed. Only transfer when you have a specific redemption planned. AADVANTAG MILES expire after 24 months of inactivity. Keep your account active to protect your miles. Use this strategy to unlock amazing value on FLIGHTS worldwide. Thanks for watching.